Hello students, welcome to Maths online classes for standard 7th. Today's topic is angles and pairs of angles. Today we will learn supplementary angles and will solve practice set 17. So let's begin. Let us learn supplementary angles. Draw a line AB. C is a point on line AB. What kind of angle is angle ACB? It's a straight angle. Do you know what is its measure? Yes, its measure is 180 degree. Line AC is shown in the figure below. A ray BD stands on it. How many angles are formed here? Yes, there are two angles formed here. Angle ABD and angle DBC. Let us measure its degree. Measure of angle ABD is 130 degree and measure of angle DBC is 50 degree. We will add both the angles. Measure of angle ABD and measure of angle DBC equals what? 130 plus 50 equals? Yes, 180 degree. If the sum of the measures of two angles is 180 degree, they are known as supplementary angles. Here, angle ABD and angle DBC are supplementary angles. Let us solve practice set 17. Question number 1. Write the measures of the supplements of the angles given below. First angle is 15 degree. Solution. Let the supplementary angle measure P degree. The sum of the measures of two supplementary angles is 180 degree. Therefore, 15 plus P equals 180. Subtracting both the sides by 15, we get P equals 165. Therefore, the measure of the supplement of an angle of 15 degree is 165 degree. Second sum, 85 degree. In the solution, let the supplementary angle measure x degree. The sum of the measures of two supplementary angles is 180 degree. 85 plus x equals 180. Subtracting both the sides by 85, we get x is equal to 95. Therefore, the measure of the supplement of an angle of 85 degree is 95 degree. Third angle is 120 degree. Solution. Let the supplementary angle measure P degree. This statement we have to write for each example. That is, the sum of the measures of two supplementary angles is 180 degree. 120 plus P equals 180. Subtracting both the sides by 120, we get P is equal to 60. Therefore, the measure of the supplement of an angle of 120 degree is 60 degree. Fourth sum, 37 degree. Solution. Let the supplementary angle measure P degree. The sum of measures of two supplementary angles is 180 degree. 37 plus P equals 180. Subtracting both the sides by 37, we get P equals 143. Therefore, Therefore, the measure of the supplement of an angle of 37 degree is 143 degree. Fifth sum, 108 degree. Solution: let the supplementary angle measure P degree, and the statement is the sum of the measures of two supplementary angles is 180 degree. 108 plus P equals 180. Subtracting both the sides by 108, we get P equals 72. Therefore, the measure of the supplement of an angle of 108 degree is 72 degree. Sixth angle is 0 degree. Solution: let the supplementary angle measure P degree. The sum of the measures of two supplementary angles is 180 degree. 0 plus P equals 180. P equals 180. Final statement: the measure of the supplement of an angle of 0 degree is 180 degree. Seventh sum is a variable, that is A degree. Solution: let the supplementary angle measure P degree. The sum of the measures of two supplementary angles is 180 degree. A plus P equals 180. Subtracting both the sides by A, we get P equals 180 minus A degree. Therefore, the measure of the supplement of an angle of A degree is 180 minus A degree. Now question number 2. The measure of some angles are given below. Use them to make pairs of complementary and supplementary angles. Angles are 60 degree, 30 degree, 90 degree, 150 degree, 75 degree, 0 degree, 15 degree and 120 degree. These are the measures of some angles. We will classify complementary angles and supplementary angles separate. Let us make two columns. In first column, we will write pairs of complementary angles, and in second column, we will write pairs of supplementary angles. If we add measure of angle B and measure of angle N, which is 60 degree plus 30 degree, we get 90 degree. Therefore, angle B and angle N is the first pair of complementary angles. Second, measure of angle Y plus measure of angle E equals 90 degree plus 0 degree equals 90 degree. Therefore, angle Y and angle E forms complementary angles. Now supplementary angles. Measure of angle B and measure of angle G equals 60 degree plus 120 degree. Addition is 180 degree. Therefore, angle B and angle G is first pair of supplementary angles. Next, measure of angle N and measure of angle J, which is 30 degree plus 150 degree. Addition is again 180 degree. Therefore, angle N and angle J forms a pair of supplementary angles. Question number 3. In triangle XYZ, measure of angle Y equals 90 degree. What kind of a pair do angle X and angle Z make? Solution. The sum of measures of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z equals 180 degree. Angle Y is given 90 degree. Therefore, 90 degree plus angle X plus angle Z equals 180 degree. Therefore, angle X plus angle Z equals 180 degree minus 90 degree. Therefore, angle X plus angle Z equals 90 degree. Therefore, angle X and angle Z are complementary angles. Question number 4. The difference between the measures of the two angles of complementary pair is 40 degree. Find the measures of the two angles. Solution. Let the complementary angles be X and Y. Therefore, X minus Y equals 40. This condition is given in the question. We have to shift minus y to the other side, so it becomes plus y. Therefore, x equals 40 plus y. Now, x plus y equals 90 because these are complementary angles. Now put the value of x, which is 40 plus y, in the equation. Therefore, 40 plus y equals 90. 2y equals 90 minus 40 equals 50. Therefore, y equals 25 degree. As x plus y equals 90, x plus 25 equals 90. Subtracting both the sides by 25, we get x equals 65 degree. Hence, final answer is measures of the required angles are 65 degree and 25 degree. Question number 5. Quadrilateral PTNM is a rectangle. Write the names of the pairs of supplementary angles. Solution. Each angle of rectangle is of measure 90 degree and the sum of the measures of supplementary angles is 180 degree. Therefore, we get the following pairs of supplementary angles. Number 1, angle P and angle T. Number 2, angle T and angle N. Number 3, angle N and angle M. Number 4, angle M and angle P. Number 5, angle P and angle N. Number 6, angle M and angle T. That's all for this video. If you are visiting first time to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon. Thanks for watching and supporting. God bless you all.